Welcome back to AI Tech and Science. Imagine waking up and finding out your gaming PC, your laptop, even your TV is about to get way more expensive because of AI? That's right. Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney just sounded the alarm. Demand from AI giants like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google has caused RAM prices to double practically overnight. Data centers are gobbling up memory chips, leaving consumer devices fighting for scraps. If you're planning a PC build, brace yourself. Those DDR5 sticks might burn a hole in your wallet. Next up, ChatGPT has found its voice. TechRadar reports that OpenAI's chatbot now has an upgraded voice mode that feels seamless. Add in a wave of awesome Black Friday deals, a potential DJI ban due to procedural hiccups, not security issues, and rumors of an OpenAI hardware device, co-designed by Johnny Ive. Oh, and mark your calendars for the Insta360 anti-gravity A1 drone launch on December 4th. It's like having your own flying camera crew. Security news now. Korean e-commerce giant Coupang just suffered a data breach impacting over 33 million customer accounts. The leak was so big it triggered an emergency government meeting. If you shop with Coupang, double-check your passwords and keep an eye on your accounts. Privacy matters more than ever. Speaking of shopping, U.S. consumers just set a new record, $11.8 billion spent online on Black Friday. Adobe Analytics says AI-driven recommendation engines boosted traffic by over 800%, helping people skip the lines and shop from their couches. Did you snag any deals? Drop your favorite purchase in the comments. Micron is betting big on the future of AI by investing $9.6 billion in a new memory chip plant in Japan. This factory will crank out high-performance memory designed specifically for AI workloads, proving that infrastructure is just as important as algorithms. Want to see more behind-the-scenes videos on how AI hardware is made? Let me know. In regulatory news, Google has unexpectedly dropped its EU antitrust complaint against Microsoft's cloud services. As regulators scrutinize big tech's dominance, this move could reset the playing field. What do you think? Is this strategic cooperation or corporate chess? And here's a feel-good story. AI isn't just about commerce and chips. It's helping archaeologists piece together the past. A robotic assistant is being used in Pompeii to match thousands of fresco fragments, speeding up restoration by orders of magnitude. That's a beautiful blend of technology and history. Small business tech trends, Gemini 3 gets rave reviews, Microsoft cuts Copilot pricing, and Intuit launches ads for small businesses. Tech startups news, Amazon's Leo Ultra satellite terminal, Alphabet inching towards a $4 trillion valuation, government-backed AI, supercomputers, India's funding boom, biotech diagnostics, and nuclear energy solutions powering AI data centers. OpenAI's growth, they're projecting 220 million paying ChatGPT users. Plus, the White House's Genesis mission aims to turbocharge U.S. science with AI. Quirky AI Bytes, a new audio language model called Step Audio R1, is making waves. xAI is building a solar farm for its data center. And yes, there's an AI for hair loss, only in 2025. What story blew your mind the most? Are you worried about soaring RAM prices, excited for AI-powered archaeology, or do you just want a super-powered drone for your holiday vlogs? Let's chat below. If you enjoyed this roundup, smash that button, and share this video with a friend who loves tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and stay tech-savvy.